Good morning. This is Dell Vostro 165635 model. As you can see, the screen is completely shuttered and it's a 16-inch screen, 30-pin connectors. And today we're going to replace the screen. Here is the replacement part. Okay, so let's replace it. So first job is we're going to push the power button to switch it off completely. And then we're going to separate the screen panel from the motherboard panel. And once we separate it, then it would be easier to work on the screen panel. For example, removing the front bezel, which is the plastic border, and that one does have clip and adhesive tape. So as you can see here, all the screws, some screws might not come out completely, but that's fine. There is the screw safety lock there, and all of them same in size, so don't worry, just take it out. Okay, so once we've taken out the back cover, the first things that we're going to do, we're not going to touch any part of the motherboard unless we disconnect the battery, because these are super sensitive. I found many cases that while they try to replace the screen, instead they damage the entire motherboard. Okay, so let's pull it from that side. You just need to little bit wiggle it from right to left, because there is a kind of lock in there. At this point, we're going to disconnect the battery first, and then we're going to disconnect the screen connector, which is that one, and then taking out all the screws from the hinges. Luckily, that model doesn't have any Wi-Fi antenna cable which run through from the screen panel to the motherboard panel. Means we have less job right here. So when you disconnect this connector, very careful, because that is super sensitive. Now, take out 6 screws. Now we're going to pull this out. So this panel is separate. Now peacefully we'll remove that one. Okay. Alright, so here is the most fun part. As you can see here, there is a black strip on the right hand side and on the left hand side. Okay, so these are the end part of the adhesive tape. So what are you going to do? You're going to take a kind of a tweezer and try to get in and just roll it like that. And this is super flexible. It's like kind of elastic. Okay, so what are you going to do? We're going to gently pull it. You're going to pull it towards you.
আমরা প্রবলেমে পড়ে যাচ্ছি।
All right, so this is the most dangerous part. Okay, so as you can see, this is the 30-pin connector for the display replacement. And when you pull the adhesive tape, just be careful. Okay, there is a latch. Make sure you open it correctly. Very careful when you use any sort of metal tool or pry tool. Okay, and then gently you have to make a gap in there because there are some sort of adhesive there which make the cable stiff. So make a gap like that and gently, yeah, pull it like that, and that should come out without any damage. So as you can see now, that front, now the top cover is ready to take the new screen. So what I'm going to do, first things, I'm going to check the replacement screen. I'm going to connect it. I'm not going to completely assemble the laptop because I don't know if the replacement part is working or not. But I can see same model, same connector. So I'm going to connect it and try to turn on the power to check if there's any dead pixels or anything. And if there is no dead pixel, I'm going to disconnect carefully again, and then I will apply some adhesive tape to hold the screen into the panel and then close it back. Means completely reversing back what we done. All right, so finally all done. Now we're going to turn it on. When you turn on, remember that might take a couple of minutes because the actual CMOS resetted. Okay, because internal battery we disconnected and left it for quite a long. As you can see now, there is no dead pixel and everything is fine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.